All right, my people, good afternoon, everybody. I am Longinus Anokute, aka Chief Imo. You can see I'm smiling because it calls for celebration. It calls for everything good. You're supposed to be smile every minute of the day. You wake up in the morning, you see yourself living, you see yourself in a good mood, you find yourself in a good health. You're supposed to be smiling because it's not easy to go to bed and wake up. So many people went to bed, they did not wake up, but you went to bed, you wake up in good health, you dress fine, you come out beautifully, you dress out good. People are saying, oh, you look good, oh, you look nice, oh, you do this, you do that. It is not because of your handwork, it is not by your making, it is not because you are living, it is because of God who gives everything good. What am I trying to say? I am looking good, I dressed okay. You can see Chief Imo, you can see me in a new attire, you can see the way I'm looking. You cannot dress well like this, and at the end of the day, you end up talking rubbish. When somebody dresses, they say you will be addressed the way you dress. If you want people to address you in a way that you would be pleased, try to dress good. And when you come out and speak, people will say, wow, this man has really spoken. You can see me. You can see the way I'm looking. So if I dress like this and I come out, I'm talking rubbish, that means I got no sense. What am I trying to say? I saw a video, or I went to somewhere. Somebody was trying to organize a giveaway party for the community, the whole of his village. He gathered people and he was appreciating them. He bought food, rice. I wanted to attach the video, but I'm not good in, I don't want to create any form of I told him I want to be on a neutral ground. The man was, he had a very good intention for his people. Oruzin Bosane made the thing. Hasina Hagarala mini, a hand mini there. So when I was leaving, I was inside the car. And so people had the media me, come here, and can't cause them. I had gone a mini. Or one man or got booze or 2 minutes. Oh, why you, why is it very mini to put name, name. What the hell? I was so disappointed. Oh, God, they are cool. When you're done, Obodo, put up my rice, aqua, need teacher. They can do Obodo Yaka have you so that his people will benefit from him. So yeah, the Kwakwo work is the so because my Kwakwo working high Gary and maybe share, he does rag in them mad. And you want us to clap for you because you have done well. You see where they picked because no be how they work and Haji and Miri. Or some make a run no basso. You man are buying for. What I can I knew okay, the other video made the other day, you come Ebukobi. That's Ebukobi post video. Yeah. Is there anything wrong with that video? Have I ever said anything about that young man? But nobody would also pick up the good side of him and then publicize it. Like I'm not saying, this man and many human, or because no, they have over a demiri, when are we going to wake up? When are we going to stop backbiting? When are we going to stop? So many entertainers. Chifimo na dia mwanya na mic. Onye Chifimo. Who is there go why blaga? Why blaga na Chifimo na dia? Why men cause na Chifimo na dia? Indigenous everywhere. Even onye hono nozo. Ho goya. Sometimes mbanya happy. That Chifimo they think that I cannot give them anything. I will come out and I will surprise them. How is it that now even because Chifimo came, that is the reason they are going home happy. They are going home with money. Chidin why give the name kwa na akọ ma n'isi mmadụ ibe anyị. Ebukobi ọ na-enyere ndị family aka. Ahụna m ndị ọrụ n'ụlọ. Ahụna m ndị o mere kpere ha nwa. Ọ wara nji, ọ wee onye oshi, ọ na-ezu oshi, ọ na-agba ama. Nyiri na ndị a ọ na-emechi otu onye. Kamgbe shi anyị na-amaghị onye all these things have been happening. Why not you leave the bad side of it? I'm not interested in the dating life, bad side anybody is living because you that are even writing, you are not perfect on your own. If you can understand that even the comments you are dropping is a fault. Those dirty comments in there is a fault. You need to work on yourself. So nobody is perfect. Let's leave that young man. I will go to Sondoma, happy and dodger because you all are mad in a minute. At the end of the dog, I'm not to warrior. Manaka, I wouldn't know and come. I will not mad in a let us pick those good ones and escalate it. May a koga viral. Can I person who promoters of evil? Because I don't know him. So once come to go there and when my actually is in there, I was invited as a guest. That was the first time you know the name when only the cable copy. You can do mad in the Quarian. Wow. I covered the ceremony. So, oh, good. We didn't even greet because there was no time. We perform with Allah. That was the end. Even the day I went to his church, somebody said, ah, the celebrity, I was invited by a ministry in that church. I didn't even see him. So I'm saying this thing because sometimes when I read some things, on our bakamish, nas I was Igbo, I was Muchuku, get a kind of we hang an answer. Oh, well, mad, only a dinner, mad. Why you go talk like this? Why you go talk that one? Are we God? Can you do your own and leave God to do his own? The moment you start to talk good about people, you don't know why are you in a place, you're not moving forward, you're not moving backward. You're not in a pause. A pause, sorry, become a pause to television. All because of phobia jogging. But the moment you start nothing good things, remember the music akụkọ jakọrọ n'ime ndụ m Chineke mewo ya akụkọ ọma. So ibido na-akọ akụkọ ọma agbanweere gị ọnọdụ ahaziere gị ọnọdụ things ebido na-agaziri gị. Catch you for the next episode. May the blessings of God remain with you. Please, I want to say it and summarize it. Whenever you dress good, always talk good. You can't dress good and talk shit. God bless you. Chifimo loves you all. Download Akụkọ Ọma now and begin to enjoy that music. Akụkọ Ọma. Go to my Facebook page, go to my Instagram, go to my YouTube, go to AudioMac, all the music platforms. Download it and make your own video. Dance to it. Say it to yourself and you see things turning around for you. As for our brother Ebukobi, hapụga aka. Kaya na chie. For the fact ndị mmadụ anaghị apụta sign ogbole ha. On gbapụrụ ha isi. Let him do his thing. Nke ọma ọ na-eme karịrị nke ọjọọ. Ha were godu nke ọma hapụrụ ya nke ọjọọ ya na chie. May God bless you. I love you all.